Hello, this is Nidhish, and today I'm going to talk about the benefits of IFRS as the certificate and as a course. So often I'm asked this question, especially when the admission to various IFRS program or ACCA programs are in progress. People are registering for IFRS papers or diploma and certificate in IFRS. Often I face this question that the IFRS have so many different standards and they are big and vast. Sometimes it seems scary to people as well. So what is the benefit really of doing this? Can I just do it superficially just to pass the exam, or should I learn it properly? What is the scope and benefit of this, and why should I have this certificate or diploma, or why should I pay more attention to this as a paper? So this is some of the frequent question on IFRS. So I think it's better that I make one video and leave it for everyone's reference. So before telling that, let me introduce myself for those who have not heard me earlier. My name is Nidhish Singh, and I'm a vice president in JP Morgan, India. I'm also a board member of LNCT group of colleges. I'm mentor in NEN foundations, and I'm a qualified accountant, member of SCCA, CISI, Institute of Directors, and I'm also a researcher. I have also done a diploma in IFRS and have managed a team working on accounting standard IFRS and the valuation of the funds for almost 16 years. I have managed the teams, and I have myself worked in IFRS accounting standards, preparing the statement, reviewing, working with the client and auditors. So coming back to the question, which you all are here for, benefits of IFRS. Essentially, IFRS statement is prepared using a common framework, which are reliable and something that can help investors better understand the investment return, investment opportunities, as opposed to the financial statement, which is prepared using various different set of national accounting standards, such as local GAAP, right? So investors can't compare and can't hence comprehend what the reporting standards are implying. And there have been studies that one accounting standard versus another one can have significant difference in the reported profit and loss and the return on its assets. So they prefer to have one single set of global accounting standard, which IFRS provides. And it is easier to compare financial statement and the financial performance of one fund or firm vis-a-vis another one. Second benefit is industry can raise the capital from the global market, international investors, when it is reported under an international standard, which is more relatable, more comprehensive, and this standard can be interpreted by most of the accountant globally. If it is a local accounting standard, then the international investors and their analysts cannot as easily interpret and decode how the performance is, right? Thirdly, it also helps the economy to grow by raising the investment internationally and become a more attractive marketplace. Because if somebody can read your performance, only then one can invest into that, right? Because we can't imagine to invest into a company or economy or the fund, even if we don't understand the basic asset and liability, how it is reported, how the numbers are calculated, right? So it is important that any company or the economy follow the accounting standard, which is more globally known and accepted, which is reported under the common language. Remember, IFRS is like a common language, just like English is the business language globally. In the same manner, IFRS has become the common standard for accountants who reports the financial performance, right? And even investors are more open and encouraged to invest internationally as long as they understand how the company is performing, because it provides the transparency as well. It reduces the kind of agency issue. Agency issue is when investors and management do not have the same goal. But IFRS help investors see through things, understand things better, and have the transparency. And it also offer accounting professionals more opportunities across the world. It provides mobility. It provides the easiness to switch the company, switch the country, and the different job, the domain, and industry as well. Because IFRS as a standard is applicable not only for manufacturing or IT or pharmaceutical or investment industry. It is equally accepted across various industry. So somebody who is good in IFRS can work across different sectors. Now, benefit of having an IFRS certification. So trained professional IFRS experts are in great demand because they can consult their peers, the juniors, and their managers on how to do the accounting under IFRS, how to treat the numbers. If the P&L is reported in a particular way, or there is any doubt, people can consult an IFRS certified or diploma holder or any ACCA member. So this is a great skill to become a go-to person for. Also, there are some observation that empirical knowledge of this universally accepted standard will open the door for more opportunities, not only in IFRS statement preparation or not only in the audit, but in even the corporate finance, in the corporate accounting, in various different teams one can enter after doing the certification. Plus, it is widely accepted in almost 145 countries as per IASB website. So it opens the door across the world for those who have got the certificate. And the IFRS standard is also considered sometimes quite lengthy, quite complex. So in that context, because the standards are constantly updated and upgraded as well, it is quite detailed. So somebody who has certificate and diploma or done the professional qualification like ACCA, they will be highly valued in the team and the company and the industry, because people will expect them to help and resolve the queries. So it really adds value to your profile and expertise. Of course, the continuous update and amendment will further increase the demand of the person who has good knowledge of IFRS. So develop that expertise, develop that subject matter expertise in IFRS. And as we have seen around 2000, that Y2K made the entire IT industry, quite popular, and many IT professionals got a lot of job after Y2K event. Similarly, the adoption of IFRS in many countries, including India, is going to make IFRS subject matter experts very, very popular in the industry and in high demand. It is something similar to what happened with software professionals, IT professionals after Y2K. It's like a watershed moment for IFRS professional, that as we see more countries accepting, more industry accepting IFRS, experts in IFRS will be in high demand. And if you are studying with us, if you take up ACCA qualification and you study SBR, financial reporting with Finsapient, or if you are going for certificate and diploma in IFRS with Finsapient, will also provide you a lot of additional support when it comes to IFRS. Or if you want to get into the opportunities related to IFRS, we will have a lot of support system as well. When we teach, we don't just teach you the accounting standard, but we also give you the industry insights, how I have and my other colleagues and faculties have faced challenges in IFRS and how they resolved it, what kind of debate and discussion we went into with auditors while implementing IFRS or while interpreting a particular IFRS standard, what kind of challenges we faced and how we adopted that, how we prepared with various table, how did we disclose the numbers. All these practical insight and information will be given to you in the during the discussions in the classes. So it is not going to be just academic or just theoretical discussions in the classroom with us. We'll provide you the essence of all our knowledge and expertise accrued in last couple of decades, and that will be something interesting to know as well. Hence, I appeal you to watch the videos on IFRS that we have prepared. You can join the classes, you can go, you can come for the demo and join the IFRS movement. I welcome you on board to study more and more about IFRS. It is an interesting subject and it is going to empower you with very valuable knowledge for the future. So in case of any question, in case of any query, feel free to drop a line. You can WhatsApp on 9560381799, and you can email also on connect@finsapient.com. So look forward to hear from you. In case of any question, further doubt on IFRS, give us a shout. Thank you so much for watching.